Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a video on how to make face bling or gem clusters, and this is the second video I've made on this because the first one was really popular. So the things you will need will be some plastic folders like these ones. You'll also need some like graph square paper, and you just want to pop one of those inside one of the plastic sheets. You'll also need some tulip fabric glue, and obviously loads of different types of gems. These neon ones I got from eBay, they're from China. I get most of them from eBay, to be honest, but sometimes you do find them in craft shops, and it's good to have like as much variation as possible. So these ones, I just wanted to show you some ones that I made in the past, because I think it's nice if you're starting off, you kind of need some ideas. But what's cool is that every ones that I've seen have really different style, so I think you do kind of, it's like totally unique style that you pick up. But this is my style, and these are some examples of ones that I've made. So what I like to do is grab a bunch of gems, like the ones I want to use, and I just map out my design before I put any glue down or anything. If you're really bad with symmetry, which I am not actually perfect, but I just like to do this freehand, but you can on the paper actually draw out a design, and obviously make sure it's all measured and even to make everything perfectly symmetrical. But I haven't done that because I like to just be free, but it does mean that mine are not always 100% symmetrical. And then once I've got the design I want, I draw out the design in the fabric glue, and this time I'm using gold. I just wanted to show you this because it went wrong. Because sometimes with these fabric glues, like, it doesn't come out and you squeeze it and then a massive blob comes out, and I just wanted to show you the real deal of making these things. So if that happens, what I do is I just use the end of an old gem picker that I had, so just like a plastic thing, and I just draw out the design with it, because obviously I don't want to waste anything. So that's how I do it if I have that accident. The white pencil I have is also a gem picker that's really handy to have, especially if you have acrylic nails like me at the moment, and it just makes it easier to pick them up. But like these gold ones, because they've come from a sheet, they're already pre-glued, so then the gem picker doesn't work on them, which is a bit annoying, but I just want to show you anyway. And then I just want to show you some of the designs I did as well, just to maybe give you some ideas, show you how I've done this. And I'm using like gold colours, iridescent silver ones, and then these neon gems, which I absolutely love. Like I said, I ordered them from China. They took like about 3 weeks to come, I think. But yeah, just keep watching. These are some design ideas if you want to make some. When I filmed this, it was like the end of May in England, so it's getting towards summer now. And I just thought they were so summery, and I've actually used a few of them already, and I'll probably put some pictures in and show you them on. Sometimes I'll just add a little puff of why can't I speak today? Cosmetic glitter over the top. It just adds a bit more glitter, even though the jelly's glittery. But I just really like how it looks. Sometimes I'll like draw out my design and then I want to add some extra stems to it, and if that's the case, if you do that, it's fine and it works fine, but you have to make sure that the fabric glue is attached to some of the fabric glue that's already on there. Like obviously if you leave any gaps, then it's not going to stick. So anyway, this is the page of gems that I made, all different bright colours. I hope that you like them and that this has helped you with some design ideas. Some of them I've used little roses, which are really cute. I got those off eBay as well. I'm just going to attach some pictures at the end of how my gems look on the skin. I like to do the big ones onto like a chest and then add glitter. And then the smaller ones just look perfect, like in the centre of the head with festival glitter or on a face paint in design. So if you have any questions, please ask me below. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. I post every week. So yeah, bye.